Welcome back. This is the Hydroponic Day 28 update. Oh. Cool. Anyways, 28 update, interesting things. The leaf is fully scabbed up. And then I had one of you guys in the comments, I cannot remember your username off the top of my head, and I apologize, but I shared some kind of enlightening info. So there's certain types of these plants, and I feel really dumb for not knowing this, but kind of neat. There's certain types of the plants that can't regrow. That includes the leaves, and like pretty much anything in the leaf. However, the actual stem of the plant can. So based on that, we'll see if we can do some cool experiments with that. Also, if that user is watching this, I swear I was typing fast and like my spelling isn't horrible. I apologize. That was funny. That did make me laugh though. Anyways, let's get into this update. Alrighty, lots of green. We've got our graph tape falling off. And then over here, we've actually got this plant growing. And then an interesting thing is I see the stem here, which makes me think that maybe there's another plant that I didn't cull from the beginning. And if that's so, we'll give a snippet. Anyways, CO2 ppm for today is running at 450, 24 degrees Celsius, and 65% humidity. So the humidity is slowly rising, and that is really good. Alright, let's open it up and check it out. Alrighty, so within here, this right leaf is finally kind of sprouting up again, so that's good. The roots are getting a little better, and that's really nice. And then the water level over here is relatively high. Over here, however, it's pretty low. And that little thing does appear to be another plant, so let's snip that real quick. I do not want the roots, if this is a separate plant, I don't want these roots to die and rot down there, so we're just going to cut it right at the stem here. Anyway, I will dispose of this, and then let's get into the pH, ppm, and EC of the right tank. Alrighty, we are running at 5.41 for today. Let's check our ppm and EC. Alrighty, we are running at 784 for ppm, EC at 1568. So this plant is consuming nutrients, and it's showing, so that's good. Let's move on to the left tank. Alrighty, left tank is running at 6.72, so that's very nice. We will add some pH down, and let's check the ppm and EC. Alrighty, left tank is running at 943, EC of 1886, and temperature of 22.9. Alright, let's graph that and check out our graphs. Alrighty, environmental factors are steady. Left tank has a ppm and EC rise due to water level drop. Right tank has a ppm and EC level drop due to plant growth. And then a pH drop, pH up. I will administer according. Hope you guys enjoyed.